It's not every time you need to break a bank in order to prepare delicious sandwich. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Empress Bassey. If you're joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're an old viewer, we love and appreciate you. Thank you for opening our channel. So today we're making sandwich with sardine and mayonnaise and spicy pepper. So sorry about this when I opened the sardine and all of that, and when I was melting the sardine, my phone wasn't recording. I didn't know, so I'm sorry about that. So yeah, all I have here is sardine with the sardine oil, and then I added mayonnaise to it, and then I also added spicy pepper, and that's all. After adding these three ingredients together, you can just mix everything up. Okay, so if you don't want to use mayonnaise, you can use butter. Feel free to use butter. So now, after mixing everything up, when your mixture is ready, all you need to do is to get your sliced bread. So this sandwich is delicious, and most people don't like veggies actually. So for this sandwich, we're not adding any veg at all. It's just going to be sardine and your bread. So now you get your bread, you spread the sardine mixture on your bread. Make sure to spread well. So you just spread everything on your bread, and you can actually eat like that, or you can decide to toast it or grill it or any of the above. So mine, I'll be putting mine on fire to just heat up a bit. So now all you need to do is to just get your pan, put your pan on fire, and then just spread oil, just little, and just grease the pan with oil a little. So after that, you then go in with your bread. So make sure the oil is this little on your pan, then you go in with your bread. Now when you're done heating your bread up, you can just cut as you like, and then you serve hot. Trust me, this is super delicious. And also, if you like, you can cut the sides off, but me, I won't be doing that because I want this bread to satisfy me. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. And also turn on your notifications so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. Feel free to go through our channel to check for interesting content. We have so many interesting contents on our channel. We have hacks, we have DIYs, and so many things you can learn from on our channel. Also, if you have something you can teach us or something you would love to see on our channel, kindly let us know in the comment section, and if it is something we can do, we promise to deliver. So let me know what you think about this sandwich in the comment section. it is super easy. You don't need much ingredients. You don't need to stress yourself, and it is delicious. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.